Yeah. Alright, dip on it early this morning again, man. Good morning to all of you guys. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, welcome back to Hartman Adventures. You know I'm Jay, and I'm out here early this morning doing a little bit of fishing on the flats, you know. Starting out with this spook lure this morning. The water is pretty flat, so hopefully a little bit of disturbance on the surface will create a couple of strikes. So yeah man, you guys just stick around. If you are new to the channel, welcome to you. Don't be scared to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on your notifications so every time a new video is dropped, you'll get notified that something is available, you know. Barracuda. Ah, come here. Ah, shooting, dropped it. Oh, come on. That was a nice barracuda. Did you guys see that? Oh, man. Oh, that was a nice barracuda, man. Wow. He absolutely launched out of the water and hit it. How did I drop that, man? How did I drop that? Let's see if we can find another one. Woo! Early morning topwater action, man. Absolutely fun. Trust me. Topwater fishing in the early morning. Wow. It's something to get your heart pumping. Love, love, love doing some early morning topwater fishing, man. Those strikes are always epic. Did you see the barracuda when the lure dropped in the water? He absolutely just jumped out of the water and went for it. That was about my third cast, I think. And I dropped him. I got him good, but I dropped him. After he hit the lure, he just jumped and I dropped him. Didn't get to set the hook. I was slow on that one, man. Was very slow to react to that. Absolutely love the early morning fishing. Top water. These spook lures are so great for enticing the bite because it has this rattling sound. They cast very far as well, so it allows you to cover a good amount of distance. Woo, that was a good cast. Where is he again? Come, where are you? Sun isn't even up fully as yet. It's a bit cloudy this morning. I also heard a bit of thunder, so don't know if we're going to get any rain this morning. If it is gonna rain, I'm not gonna stay out here for too long, because if you guys noticed, last week I didn't get to post a video. I was sick, man. Had the flu last week. Started editing one video and I was just falling asleep, man. I was just falling asleep. So when I got off work in the afternoons, that's when I would normally edit my videos. I had no energy, man. Every time I started editing, maybe like 15 minutes in, I would fall asleep. It's just coughing, sneezing, running nose. I'm still not better as yet. You might be hearing it in my voice. I might sound a bit stuffy. So I'm still not better as yet. But I'm still out here. Hopefully you'll get some good action today. And you guys can see that. Don't forget to hit the like button, guys. Huh? Huh? Yeah. Watch them, watch bait in them, man. Hey, I see a bait running there, you know? Right. Finally reach up our reef. I don't think you guys have ever seen a video from here. First one on, boy. Ah, shit. Think I dropped it. Watch out, Bert. Bert. First cast in a liquor pool. One snapper. In small though. Right, guys, first cast out in a lip on the reef. Nice little snapper. Don't want him to shake the hook in my hand though, but try see if I can make you guys see him. There he is. Nice little snapper. Just release him still cause he's small. Go on, where you go. First cast. We have them kind of break high this morning on the reef here, but it's supposed to calm down a little bit for now. Whoa, what was? Ah! Ah! Dropped him, Bert! Drop sitting, my boy! This little pool has been on fire. Not bad so far. I've been seeing the bait running in the pool. Ouch. There's a shell in my shoes, man. See, bait them are running a little pool here, so I know say stuff in there chase them. Eh?
Biggest one get from me, you know. In there, wood, you know. Biggest one would get from me, you know.
Eh?
Yeah? Right in the flat, in front of
yeah, in a flat, then they on the grassy flat.
I guess I know, guess I'm find out. The boot, love the water where it calm.
Yeah, it calm. Then they on the flat, man.
Yeah? Because I'm big one more.
Eh?
Me don't know, you see. And then drop off.
Come see here, oh, that's why now me I say wait, look like Bertie hook up and sitting.
And then drop off, man. One time I force my feet, you know, it's not a long job, but I see him jack. I say, I jack the so. The first time I get you know.
Yeah.
But boy, he run so run.
The bigger one.
Bigger one.
Eh.
They're going to put the flat down again.
Me. Uncle Bert hook up two barra. You catch a smaller one and you lose the bigger one. But me only hook up the small snapper since me reach out here this morning. So I'll go and search out the place with the great jack magnet. Make one cast over in there, so. As I'm editing this video, we are currently preparing for a hurricane, which is Hurricane Beryl. It is a category 4 hurricane at the moment as I'm recording, and it's really heading for Jamaica. So I want to take the time out to wish safe passage to all of the Jamaicans out there. Hopefully you guys have prepared properly and you have secured your property. I would hate to know that we've lost anyone because we are trying to go out into a hurricane to secure property. So hopefully you guys out there are taking the necessary precautions, following all of the directive from the relevant authorities. So I wish you guys safe passage, and guys, if you're not in Jamaica, pray for us out here so that we can have a safe passage through. This hurricane also hit a couple of other Caribbean islands. At the time of recording, I think I saw 5 persons lost their lives already. So condolence to all of those families who have lost their loved ones, and hopefully we can get through this one without any further loss of life. So take care. I wish you guys all the best and catch you in the next video.